Welcome to Clever Mum. A flat white is a coffee lover's dream, a velvety, perfectly balanced drink that brings out the rich and bold taste of espresso, complemented by indulgent, creamy microfoam. In this video, we'll show you how to make a flat white at home in just a few easy steps, turning your kitchen into your own barista station. Whether you're a seasoned coffee enthusiast or someone looking to upgrade your morning cup, this step-by-step guide will teach you the essentials of crafting the perfect flat white. Let's start with breaking down what makes a flat white so unique. Unlike lattes or cappuccinos, the flat white has its own identity. It's espresso heavy, with a finer balance of milk and microfoam. This results in a drink that's silky and textured, but never watered it down. For those who love the bold taste of coffee, it's a perfect choice without having to compromise on creaminess. This balance is one of the key reasons flat whites have become a favorite among coffee enthusiasts around the globe. Maybe you've even wondered about the difference between a flat white and a cappuccino or latte while staring at a cafe menu. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what sets the flat white apart, and more importantly, how to make it yourself. To make a flat white, you'll need just a handful of essentials. Don't worry, you don't need professional, expensive gadgets to get started. First, you'll require your coffee base. This could be an espresso shot or a strongly brewed coffee, depending on what's available to you. No espresso machine? No problem. You can adapt with a mocha pot, AeroPress, or even a French press, which we'll guide you through later. Next, there's the milk. Whole milk is the traditional choice as it produces that luxurious, creamy texture that defines a flat white. However, for those who prefer alternatives, options like oat milk or other plant-based milks can still deliver admirable results. These non-dairy alternatives have gained a strong fan base recently, especially since oat milk froths wonderfully, helping you achieve that distinct silky microfoam. Aside from coffee and milk, you'll need a few tools to bring your flat white together. A milk frother, either handheld, electric, or even a steam wand, will play a key role in creating that dreamy microfoam. But don't worry if you don't have one. We'll share tips for making the foam manually using a whisk or other simple kitchen tools. Finally, grab a sturdy coffee mug because presentation matters too. And if you're the sort of person who cares about making the best cup possible, remember, the coffee beans you start with can make a difference. Freshly ground beans yield a more intense flavor profile, letting your flat white truly shine. For anyone watching their dairy intake or exploring plant-based diets, we'll provide details later on how to adapt your flat white to match your preferences. So, are you ready to embark on this coffee-making adventure? Stick with us because up next we'll show you how to brew the perfect espresso base, the heart of your flat white. For those curious, we'll briefly discuss the history of espresso as the foundation of so many global coffee drinks and its enduring popularity across cultures. Now, let's bring everything together and talk about why this journey into coffee making at home is so rewarding. Crafting your own flat white isn't just about saving a trip to the cafe. It's about creating a moment of joy in your own kitchen. You've learned how to brew the perfect espresso base, froth the milk into that velvety microfoam, and combine them to make that silky, balanced coffee drink that rivals your favorite coffee shop. The best part? You can now modify it to suit your own preferences. Every cup you make says something about you. Perhaps you'll adjust the espresso to milk ratio for a bolder kick, or opt for plant-based milks for a fresh, eco-friendly twist. As we close out this guide, I want to encourage you to make this flat white experience your own. Experiment with different coffee roasts, try single origin beans for more depth, or play with blends for a unique flavor profile. And don't forget, coffee is as much an art as it is a science. Take your time perfecting that pour, and if you're up for it, practice some latte art to wow your friends or just add a little flair to your morning routine. Every skill you build brings you closer to becoming a true home barista. At Clever Mum, we're all about making seemingly complicated things accessible and fun. Remember, whether it's your first cup or your 50th, there's always something new to learn. So don't be afraid to share your creations. Snap a picture of your flat white, tag us with the hashtag #CleverMomCoffee, and let us celebrate your homemade masterpiece with you. If you enjoyed this tutorial and you're ready to take your coffee game to the next level, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and check out our playlist for more coffee making tips, tricks, and recipes. From cold brews to latte art, there's always more to explore. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see you back here soon.